Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Shoppers Fair supermarket being built in Harbour. Now the old structure that was here was demolished and they're putting up this new structure. And from what it looks like, it's going to be a massive supermarket. You can see that open space is going to be the floor where they'll have all the shelves. And behind it, probably the storeroom, offices. We'll definitely keep you guys updated on this one. So Harbour is one of the areas that's going to benefit a great deal from the opening of the Southern Coastal Highway. Because that highway takes you from Harbour to Portland. But from Harbour to Yalos is now going to be 15 minutes. And from Harbour to Bull Bay is going to be 5 minutes. So this road has opened up the entire eastern part of Jamaica. So Harbour is going through a transformation. The plaza has been renovated and this supermarket being built is the last part to it. This plaza now has a Burger King, a KFC, a Tasty Patties, Pizza Hut. You name it, they're here. All because the area, now to the left is the Harbour neighborhood. Massive housing development, one of the largest housing developments in Jamaica. I don't know if they've built another, the only place you probably find housing developments bigger than this is in Portmore, if any. So this plaza is actually well situated because, you know, in Jamaica you need three things for a successful plaza: a brand name supermarket, and this one they're building over the Shoppers Fair. You need food stores, and from you have KFC, you have more than enough. This one has KFC and Burger King and Tasty Patties. And it built the plaza in a populated area, and this is one of the most populated areas in Jamaica. And the amount of traffic passing through Harbour is going to increase. So guys, let us know what you think of this building. It should be finished probably next year. I mean, it's a supermarket. All it needs now is a roof and you're good to go. We'll definitely keep you guys updated on this project. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the drone tour. Have a good day.